Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we are going to do the feedback for the previous lesson. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about Puerto Rico and its relationship with the United States. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Is Puerto Rico a U.S. state? No. Puerto Rico is a U.S. territory, not a state. Can Puerto Ricans living on the island vote for the U.S. president? No, they cannot vote for the U.S. president while living on the island. Are Puerto Ricans U.S. citizens? Yes, Puerto Ricans are U.S. citizens. Did Puerto Rico become a U.S. territory after the Spanish-American War? Yes, Puerto Rico became a U.S. territory after the Spanish-American War in 1898. Do Puerto Ricans elect voting members to Congress? No, they elect a resident commissioner who cannot vote on final laws. Has Puerto Rico ever voted in favor of becoming a state? Yes, in recent referendums, most voters supported statehood. Does Puerto Rico have its own distinct culture? Yes, Puerto Rico has a rich and unique culture blending Spanish, African, and Taino influences. Is it guaranteed that Puerto Rico will become a U.S. state? No, it is not guaranteed. It depends on future decisions by Congress. Can Puerto Ricans carry U.S. passports? Yes, Puerto Ricans carry U.S. passports. Is Spanish an important language in Puerto Rico? Yes, Spanish is widely spoken and important in Puerto Rico. Remember to watch this feedback video several times to reinforce everything you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for the next exciting videos in this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.